In July, you should be enjoying your garden, sitting back and relaxing, admiring all your beautiful plants that are in flower now. All these hanging baskets, tubs and pots need regular feed and water. I recommend liquid feeding your baskets and tubs at least twice a week with a good quality feed. Sometimes you may have to water every day, but check regularly. Rather than splashing, make sure you give one good soak, and then sometimes plants can be left for a day or two. It is paramount to keep on top of watering in July. Hopefully in July you'll be enjoying summer barbecues outside in your garden with friends and family. If you have a vegetable patch, you'll be able to provide much produce from this to your friends and family. As well as obvious things to eat, there are other edible things in the garden which can produce beautiful salads. Edible flowers are very decorative for cooking. These look great on top of a salad. For example, your courgette, squash, marrow or pumpkin flowers give a wonderful yellow colour. You can also use these to fry and serve with a hot meal. Other things that you can add to your salad that are edible are rose petals. Make sure you choose the rose petals that are the most perfumed, as these give the most flavour. Rose petals can also be used to make jam, vinaigrettes, sauces and meat dishes. You should be reaping the fruits of some of your tomatoes now. Make sure you keep pinching out the side shoots so they keep producing lots of fruit, and keep them very well watered and fed. Other little jobs to do in the garden in July are things such as dividing some of your perennials. You must divide your irises now, and then you can make 2 plants out of 1. Keep deadheading your roses, which encourages more flowers. Make sure you keep on top of mowing the lawn regularly as well.